You're a full-time student or you work a 9-to-5 job, but then you also want to have a social life, but then you also want to participate in the hobbies that you like, and you feel like you just don't have enough time in the day. You feel like
your 24 hours is not the same as everybody else's 24 hours.
But newsflash, all of our 24 hours are the same. Your problem is you're not good at time management. And I'm here to help you. I'm the self-proclaimed time management queen, and I'm basically going to share 5 secrets that you can incorporate into your life in order to have time to accomplish everything that you want to do. So like I said, if that's going to school full-time and participating in your hobbies, or working full-time and hanging out with your friends and participating in your hobbies, I'm going to show you how you could do it all, because it is possible to do everything that you want to do in this 24 hours. Because like I told you, all of our 24 hours are the same. It's just you're not good at managing your time, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to save the day. I'm gonna be Captain Sava. So grab your popcorn, grab a drink, sit tight, and let's get right into the video. And also while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and let's just get right into the video. We shouldn't be wasting time, so let's go. So secret number 1 is something, I don't know, some of you might not want to hear, but it is waking up early. Early. I'm not saying you need to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, but at least waking up 30 minutes to an hour before you normally wake up. I feel like it is so helpful with time management, and it allows you more time in the day. So you're able to add an extra, an hour or 30 minutes to your day that you wouldn't normally have if you didn't wake up early. I know it's super hard to wake up early. I feel like what helps to wake up early or become a morning person is consistency. So waking up early every day, including the weekends. I know it's hard. I know the weekends you want to sleep in, but no, waking up early every day will help you tremendously. It'll make it easier for you to wake up every day. Obviously, consistency is key. The more consistent you are with it, the more it becomes like second nature. Because let me tell you, I was not a morning person, but then I decided to set an alarm every day for 7 a.m., including weekends. And now it's like second nature to me. I don't even need an alarm anymore, and my body just naturally wakes up between like 7 and 7:30 in the morning. Waking up early to allow more time in your day to accomplish the things that you want to accomplish. I feel like when you wake up late, it's kind of like you're rushing to do things, you're forgetting to do things, really chaotic. And I feel like if you have like a slow morning, you're able to do what you want to do, and you're able to take your time, and you don't feel rushed. Another secret to waking up early is to go to bed early, because if you're going to bed at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, it's going to be super hard for you to wake up early. So I would suggest, in order to become a morning person, you need to start going to bed earlier, so that you're allowing yourself to get the 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day, and then you don't feel like you're still tired when you wake up. So I would highly recommend to go to bed early. It will make it so much easier when it comes to waking up early. Secret number 2 is the 2-minute rule. So basically what the 2-minute rule is, if you have a task that takes you 2 minutes or less, I would recommend doing it right away. There's no point in postponing something that's going to take you 2 minutes or less to do. If you keep postponing it, you're going to have more things added onto your plate, which leads you to be more overwhelmed and leads you to have less time to do what you really want to do. So if that's cleaning up for 2 minutes, putting away the dishes, or unloading the dishwasher, or submitting like a project that is due, not procrastinating and doing things right away will be so helpful, and allows you more time to do the things that are important to you. And you're so helpful when it comes to procrastinating. If it just, like I said, if it takes you 2 minutes or less, just do it right away. There's no point in postponing something that's going to take you 2 minutes to do. And I feel like once you accomplish these little tasks, you just feel so good about yourself. You feel a little bit like of relief and accomplishment. And it's just like, after you finish the task, you feel like, oh my God, like, why was I putting this off? It was such a small task. Secret number 3 is batching like a pro. So basically, you're going to be batching tasks that are similar together. So for example, if it's you need to go to the grocery store, but then you also need to drop off your package or pick up a package, doing those tasks at the same time will just be so much helpful, instead of, oh, I'm gonna go grocery shop and then I'm gonna come home and clean my room and then I'm gonna go deliver a package. Like, that just doesn't make sense. So batching similar tasks is so helpful in order for you to basically have more time to do things, because it just makes more sense to batch similar tasks to each other. Number 4 is the secret to saying no, which I know it is so hard, especially for those people pleasers out there, to say no to people, because you kind of feel bad and you feel like you're being mean, or you feel like you're disappointing people, or you kind of feel like when you say no to certain situations, you feel like you're gonna have FOMO. But trust me, saying no is super, super important. It's a vocabulary that everybody needs. I know, like I said, it's super hard to say no, but we can't always be a people pleaser. Being a people pleaser will not get you far in life, I believe. Others may think otherwise, but you need to say no to honestly protect your peace, to say no. And if you guys want a whole video on being a people pleaser and how not to be a people pleaser, I could always do that, but just you need to learn how to say no. Saying no to things can allow you to have more time to do the things that you actually really want to do, or more time to, you know, complete tasks that you need to complete, or to have more time to do hobbies, or to have just more time for yourself and to do things that you really want to do. And then secret number 5 is to prioritize like a boss. So we are going to do the ABCDE method, and you're like, what the hell is the ABCDE method? Did I mess that up? Let's go. So we have A, which is an absolute must do or face consequences. B, should do, no immediate consequences. C, could do, purely optional but nice to have. D, delegate, yes, hand it off. And C, eliminate, get rid of it completely. So basically the ABCDE method helps you to basically prioritize your task and see what is important to you and what is not important to you, and it helps you become a little bit stress-free and stop worrying about things that you don't need to be worrying about. So you don't need to do everything, be everywhere, and please people. You can say no to things. So the last little tip that I'm going to talk to you about is the Pomodoro technique. Hopefully I said that right. So basically it is setting a timer for 25 minutes and doing a certain task for 25 minutes straight. So that is answering work emails, working on a project, doing your homework, cleaning your room, any task. Set it for 25 minutes, do a 25 minute straight, and then allow yourself 5-minute break to what? Scroll on TikTok, do something that you enjoy doing, reading a book, meditating, talking to friends. It could be basically anything. So basically setting a timer for 25 minutes kind of gives you, and having that 5-minute break gives you some time, something to look forward to, because it's just like after your 25 minutes, you get to take a little break and do what makes you happy. And I feel like it helps you stay focused and motivated, and it helps you accomplish your task so much better and allows you more time of the day, because you're focused on doing the certain task for 25 minutes instead of procrastinating and saying, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. It's just so much helpful. So try that technique and let me know how it works out for you. And that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and if you have any video recommendations, please leave them down below. And I hope you guys enjoy your day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever you watch this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.